Piggy, piggy, piggy. Piggy, piggy. Your little mouth. I can't get it in your mouth fast enough. You are a piglet. Look how little he looks in the chair. If you zoom out, his little head. He's like a little peanut. Oh. What happened to your hair today?
Mimi combed it every time we went in there. I combed it.
It's nice to see your neck. I never see your little neck. Here you go.